This is going to be a tough one. A rectangular piece of wood had a breadth measuring 112 centimeters. It was cut into 7 small identical rectangles as shown. Find the area of the piece of wood. Okay, so for this, okay, what I'm going to do is, this is basically, right, this solid. Okay, so this whole thing, this is the breadth, right? So breadth, okay, and then this is the length, right? So I'm gonna, okay, this one not so equal, but not so straight, I mean. So this is the breadth and this is the length times breadth. Length and breadth. Okay, length times breadth. So this is length. Length, this is breadth. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna color this as red. Okay, and then I'm going to show the lines. Show the lines. That's what you see over here. So it's easier for me to reference. Okay, like this. So this is the breadth. Okay. Okay, good. And then I'll just put here as here as well. Okay, so and then I'm gonna put this as a black. So we know that 112 is equal to length plus breadth. That means this over here is two length, right? One over here. So this is one length, and we have another length over here. Okay, so this is two length as what you see, and then we also have breadth. Okay, so in this case, this over here is breadth, right? I have breadth, so I'm gonna just put B. So breadth is B, bracket B, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 breadth. Okay, so from here, can we in a way find a way on the area of piece of wood we use? Can we measure what is the breadth and height over here? Actually, we can. So what we can do is, first we know that 112 is equal to length plus breadth. Okay. Then we also know that 2 length is equal to, so how many breadth do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 length is equal to 5 breadth. How amount of breadth? Right? Okay. So in this case over here, can we do something about it? Yes, we can. So either way, you can swap things in. 2 lengths equal to 5 breaths, right? And then 1 length plus 1 breath is 112. Okay, so with this, we can say, let's make it easier. So if we multiply this by 2, 112 times 2 is equal to 2 length, right? Plus 2 breath, something like this. So we just multiply this by 2. This will be 2 to 4 is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay, so now if we were to swap the 2 length and 2 breadth, in this case over here, then what we can do is, so swap 2 length with 5 breadth. Okay, so this means 2 to 4 is equal to 5 breadth plus 2 breadth. Okay, so this will become 2 to 4 is equal to 7 breadth. I should just okay, either way, then 1 breadth is equal to 2 to 4, and then we divide it by 7. So in this case, 2 to 4 divided by 7, this will give us 32 centimeters. Okay, so since we know 1 breadth is 32 centimeters, so 1 length is equal to 112 minus 32. Okay, so 112 minus 32, this will give us 80 centimeter. Okay, so now we know 1 length and 1 breadth. Want to get a piece of wood, which is everything over here. So one rectangle area is equal to 80 times 32. Okay, in this case, multiply by 32, 2560 centimeter square. Okay, so this one rectangle area, we have 7. So 7 rectangle area, okay, is equal to 7 times 2560 is equal to, so we just multiply by 7, 17,920. So 17,920 centimeter square in this case over here. Okay, and that's the answer. 17,920 centimeter square, or you can convert it if you want. Yeah, so that's the answer. Alrighty.